This walkthrough covers the main Cash App basics, from creating an account to sending, requesting, withdrawing, and adding barcodes in a public tutorial. Start by opening Cash App. Enter a mobile number or email address that you control. Then use the one-time confirmation code Cash App sends you. Cash App does not use a normal reusable password for this step, so never share a sign-in code with anyone, even if that person claims to work for support. Next, enter your full legal name and date of birth. Cash App may ask you to verify your identity before you can use certain features. The verification flow commonly asks for the last 4 digits of your Social Security number and may request more information, such as your full Social Security number, residential address, government-issued identification, or other documents. Enter this information only inside the official Cash App application. Choose your $cashtag, which is the unique name people can use to find and pay you. You may also be asked for your zip code and a 4-digit cash PIN. Pick a cashtag you are comfortable sharing, but do not include sensitive information. Cash App may then show optional prompts for the Cash App card, contact syncing, or referrals. You can review those offers or skip them and continue to the main payment screen. The main green payment screen is where you enter an amount to pay or request. The profile icon opens account settings. From there, select linked banks to review connected debit cards, bank accounts, or credit cards. To add a funding source, choose the option to link a new card or bank account and follow the prompts. Some features require a linked debit card or bank account, even though you don't need an external bank account simply to create a Cash App profile. Keep all linked account information private. In this reconstructed tutorial, names, card digits, account numbers, routing numbers, and contact details will be replaced or fully obscured. When you replace a linked card or bank account, read every confirmation screen carefully so you do not disconnect the wrong funding source. To send money, return to the payment screen. For this example, enter $5 and tap Pay. Search for the recipient by name, $cashtag, phone number, or email address. Add a short note explaining what the payment is for. Before you continue, verify the recipient carefully. Cash App payments can move quickly, and sending money to the wrong person can be difficult to reverse. The funding source screen lets you choose where the payment comes from. Sending from your cash balance or a linked debit card is generally free for a personal payment. A linked credit card can carry a fee, and the application displays that fee before confirmation. In this example, select the cash balance so only the $5 payment is deducted. If the starting tutorial balance is $460, the new balance becomes $455. Tap Pay only after checking the amount, recipient, note, and funding source. Cash App may also show scam warnings when you pay someone new. Treat those warnings seriously and only send money to people or businesses you recognize. Cash App also supports QR code payments. Open the scanner from the payment screen. On the Scan tab, point the camera at a valid Cash App QR code. On the My Code tab, Cash App displays your own code so another person can scan it. A public tutorial must never display a working personal QR code. The reconstructed screen will use a clearly non-functional placeholder. To request money, go back to the payment screen, enter $5 and tap Request. Add the person and a note, then submit the request. Sending a request does not immediately increase your cash balance. The balance changes only after the other person actually pays. In this example, the balance therefore remains $455 after the request is sent. To move money from Cash App to a linked bank account, open the Money tab and select Withdraw. Enter the amount you want to transfer. For this example, withdraw $5. Cash App normally presents a standard option and an instant option. Standard transfers are generally slower and free, while instant transfers charge a fee that is shown before you confirm. Choose Standard in this walkthrough, so the $5 withdrawal reduces the balance from $455 to $450 without applying the displayed instant transfer fee. Always confirm the destination account before withdrawing. If the app shows a fee, arrival estimate, or transfer limit, read it before tapping the final withdraw button. Fees and timing can change, so rely on the details shown in your own account at the time of the transfer. The Cash App Card section lets eligible customers order or manage a debit card connected to their cash balance. A new account example may show a zero balance and an invitation to order a card. An established account may show card controls, such as locking the card, viewing card details, or exploring available offers. These are separate account contexts, so a temporary zero-balance onboarding screen should not be treated as a reset of the main tutorial account. If you display card controls in a video, hide the card number, expiration date, security code, and any copyable card details. Locking a card can help prevent new card transactions if the card is lost, but it does not replace reporting suspicious activity to Cash App support. To add money, return to the Money tab and select Add Money. Choose a preset amount or enter a custom amount. In this example, add $100 from the linked bank account. Confirm the funding source and complete the transfer. The tutorial balance moves from $450 to $550. That updated value should remain consistent on every later screen unless another completed transaction changes it. The Add Money area may also list other options, including direct deposit, bank or wire transfer, paper money deposits, mobile check deposit, and automatic reload. Availability and eligibility vary by account. Select an option only after reading its limits, processing time, and any fees shown in the application. For a paper money deposit, choose Deposit Paper Money. Cash App can display nearby participating retailers and a barcode for the cashier to scan. Take the barcode to a supported location, tell the cashier the amount you want to deposit, and review the fee and limits shown in Cash App. Do not use a screenshot of another person's barcode, and do not publish a functioning barcode. The tutorial will show an inactive placeholder instead. Cash App is a financial services platform, not a bank. Banking services are provided through partner banks. When eligibility requirements are met, certain cash balances may qualify for Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation pass-through insurance through those partners, subject to the applicable terms. Investing and Bitcoin products are separate and are not covered by bank deposit insurance. Download Cash App only from the official Apple App Store, Google Play Store, or Cash App's official website. Avoid download links sent through unsolicited messages. Cash App will not ask for your PIN or one-time sign-in code by phone, email, or text. Identity verification may require Social Security number information. If the official application offers another accepted tax identification or document option for your situation, follow the instructions shown there. Do not assume that every product accepts the same identification documents, and never enter a Social Security number or individual taxpayer identification number on an unofficial site. A Form 1099-K is generally associated with qualifying business account payment activity, not ordinary personal payments. Federal and state reporting rules can change, and some states use lower thresholds. Review the tax documents area in Cash App and consult a qualified tax professional when a reporting question affects you. You do not need a traditional bank account merely to create a Cash App account, but linking a debit card or bank account is necessary for some ways of adding or withdrawing money. The exact options available depend on your verification status, account eligibility, and current Cash App features. Before finishing, turn on security lock using your face, fingerprint, or PIN. Review real-time alerts, keep the application updated, and never send money because of pressure, threats, fake giveaways, or promises of guaranteed returns. Cash App support is available through the application, and official phone support hours can be checked on Cash App's website. That completes the beginner workflow. Create and verify the account, choose a $cashtag, connect a funding source, send and request money, use QR tools safely, withdraw funds, manage the Cash App card, add money, and review paper money deposit options. Confirm every amount, fee, recipient, and account detail before completing a transaction.